Welcome. This video will guide you through connecting your Tesla Powerwall 3. We'll cover Wi-Fi setup, gateway connection, and Tesla app pairing for seamless monitoring and control. Connecting your Powerwall correctly ensures optimal performance and access to Tesla's energy management features. Launched in late 2023 and widely available since mid-2024, the Powerwall 3 relies on robust connectivity for firmware updates, diagnostics, and remote access. We will ensure you have a stable and secure connection. During Powerwall 3 installation, the device automatically scans for available Wi-Fi networks supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for flexible connectivity. While 5 GHz is preferred for faster speeds and reduced interference, 2.4 GHz offers longer range and better compatibility with older devices. Enter your Wi-Fi network credentials through the Powerwall's touchscreen interface or a connected device to establish a secure connection. This Wi-Fi link enables direct firmware updates and diagnostics, while the Tesla Gateway manages the primary data pathway for optimal energy performance. The Tesla Gateway acts as the central hub connecting your Powerwall 3 to the internet. For the most reliable connection, use an Ethernet cable to link the gateway to your router. Alternatively, you can use a Wi-Fi bridge if Ethernet isn't feasible. Pairing between the Powerwall and gateway occurs automatically during system activation, utilizing a unique serial number for authentication. A stable gateway connection is critical for remote monitoring and control. Download the Tesla app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Once downloaded, create a Tesla account if you don't have one already. To pair your Powerwall 3, open the app and scan the QR code located on the gateway or Powerwall. Once paired, the Tesla app enables remote monitoring of energy flow, battery levels, and grid interactions. The Tesla app is essential for effectively managing your Powerwall 3 system, providing real-time insights and control. Tesla prioritizes the security of your Powerwall 3 connection. Data transmission uses end-to-end AES-256 encryption. Enable two-factor authentication in the Tesla app to add an extra layer of security to your account. Be aware of potential cybersecurity risks and consider physical disconnects during threats, as advised by security experts. These measures protect your system from unauthorized access. If you experience connectivity problems, start by resetting the gateway using the physical button or app command. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is stable and the Ethernet cable is securely connected if applicable. Check for any Tesla service outages that might affect app functionality. Tesla released emergency offline modes in early 2025 to address such vulnerabilities. Regular troubleshooting will keep your Powerwall 3 online. Consider a homeowner in wildfire-prone California who installed Tesla Powerwall 3 with a Wi-Fi only setup. During frequent blackouts, the system provides reliable backup power, while the app delivers real-time alerts about battery reserves and grid status. For commercial applications, an Australian solar farm pairs multiple Powerwall 3 units via Ethernet gateways for remote load balancing. This setup reduces peak demand by 35%, optimizing energy distribution across the facility through the Tesla app's monitoring capabilities. These examples demonstrate how Tesla Powerwall 3 connectivity works in diverse environments, from residential Wi-Fi setups to commercial Ethernet networks. The app plays a central role in user-friendly management, providing real-time monitoring and control for optimal energy performance. Looking ahead, energy storage technology is evolving rapidly, with enhanced IoT integrations. Powerwall 3 could soon support vehicle-to-grid charging, allowing electric vehicles to both draw power and return excess energy to the grid. Tesla's artificial intelligence will enhance the app with predictive analytics, anticipating your energy requirements by analyzing usage patterns and helping optimize charging schedules. Industry experts predict impressive reliability, with app-paired systems achieving up to 90% uptime. This underscores how crucial strong connectivity is for maximizing your Powerwall 3's performance. Different system configurations, from whole home backup to partial setups, will enable these advanced features. Stay informed about emerging trends to fully leverage your Powerwall 3's potential.